Ever felt that sudden pit in your stomach when you see an unrecognized transaction on your Paysend account? That sinking feeling of what just happened? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital world, a security breach can happen to anyone, and knowing what to do in those crucial first moments can make all the difference. If you suspect your Paysend account has been compromised, don't panic. The first step is to act fast, and the very first thing you need to do is freeze your card immediately. You can do this right in the Paysend app. Freezing your card is like putting a pause on all transactions, stopping the hacker from making any more purchases or transfers. It's the most effective way to protect your money right now. Once the card is frozen, the next step is to contact Paysend's support team. You can do this through the Help Center in the app or on their official website. Be prepared to provide them with as much detail as possible about the unauthorized activity. This includes the date, the amount, and any other relevant information you have. The more information you can give them, the faster they can investigate and help you. After you've reported the issue to Paysend, it's also a good idea to report the fraud to your bank. This adds another layer of security and ensures all your financial institutions are aware of the situation. This is especially important if the hacker has used your linked card details. To prevent this from happening again, make sure to take some proactive steps. Strengthen your password. Use a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication for that extra layer of protection. And be vigilant about phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your personal information in response to emails or messages you weren't expecting. By taking these steps, you not only protect yourself but also help Paysend's security team track down the fraudsters and prevent future attacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.